US, 80% of the economy is driven by the small and medium scale industry, the startup industry, because they are creating 60% of their new job. They are hiring 40% of the expertise related to scientists, doctor, engineer, the greater so-called the greater mind. So these startup and the small entity as the main driver of the knowledge driven economy. That's why we are pushing the startup, the small entity to grow for further from the university point of view to a startup point of view to a industrial scale of view. So now come to patent commercialization path. So up to this creation, you are working in the university. In the university, what you are doing? You are doing an R&D work. You are doing an invention within the creation in the university. Up to this, you are working in the university. For protection, protection is provided by the Indian statute, the Indian patent system, the intellectual property rights by providing through patent granted by application of patent. Now the main thing come through the exploitation part. This is the main thing. This is the major layout you have to focus, because through this exploitation you can earn money, you can commercialize product. Up to this is okay. First you develop a product, you protected it. Now the next step is how to get money, how to earn, how to commercialize your product into market. For that, either either you transfer the technology, or either you can license your IPR, or you can sell your IPR, or you can give it to a startup or spin up, or you can commercialize your whole process. So these are different kind of pathway you must follow to get commercialize your prototype to product, product to incubation center to market. So these are the things you must follow. So now the thing is due diligence. In the patent commercialization, due diligence means, what is due diligence? These are the process you must go through before entering into the market. What are the process? First of all, you have to chalk out the field or use of the market area. Suppose somebody is making a refrigerator system, then he or she has to go to the warm and humid area. In cold area, there is no use of any refrigerator system. So he have to identify the particular market. Where do I go? Where do I sell? So these are comes under due diligence process. And the freedom to operate. Suppose you are operating your product in a particular area, you have to keep in mind whether you are infringing somewhere else right, whether that product is already available on that particular market. You have to keep in mind. So by using this in mind, you are making a formulation where to enter, which market to enter, what are the criteria I need to set up. Now come to expertise in the field. See, up to startup, you are only expertise up to your development of product. Now for commercialization, you need a marketing team, you need an investor team, you need a proper management team. For that, you need to hire some expertise in different field. For that, you need to go for partnership or collaboration. Now fourth in the organization strategy. Before doing all those things, you have to see the organization strategy. Suppose you are having an IP policy in your own university. Whether you are passing your IP policy, whether you are working under the purview of the IPR policy, you have to check out. If you are not working under the IPR policy, then it again become an obstacle during your process of commercialization. So again, you need to get through all this due diligence process. Now come to the patent commercialization pathway. As I already discussed, the pathway divided into internal development, the licensing, the joint venture, the startup or spin-off. In this whole process, after your development from product to prototype, prototype to product, product to very large scale, what you will do, you are going for licensing. What is licensing? The transfer of right from one person to another person to manufacture, to sell, to use or to import your product. In order to pay you royalty, in order to pay you some money, so that you are licensing something, so that you can earning something for your product. So that particular thing, licensing is divided into scope of licensing, kind of licensing, and geographical extent. See, this is out of this is the most important word. Kind of licensing: exclusive, non-exclusive. Exclusive means you are excluding others from using your product. Only one person can use the license and develop a product. Similarly, in non-exclusive license, more than one person can use the product and they can pay you. So most of the companies, they are going for the non-exclusive licensing. Now come to the next one, right of license. Now you are giving license for either manufacturing or selling or use, or manufacturing only, or sales product only, use your product only, or import a product. Why you are doing all those things? You are doing all those things because you are getting some kind of money, some kind of reality from the people who are using your product, which is the main motive of your commercialization. Now, this is the last slide. Again, I am focusing. This is the incubation cell. Why I am timely asking you to go for the incubation cell? Because see, you have the idea, everything is fine. Up to this thing, you have very good. You go to incubation cell because incubation cell have the person, they have the expertise of different category. They can develop your product to a prototype to a product, and we can scale in an industrial manner. For that, you need some kind of what is called some investment is required. Again, the incubation is having the expertise, the communication system who can arise all those things and develop your product and commercialize in a large manner. So this is the end of my presentation. If you have any doubt, then please free to ask me.
Yeah, thank you very much, sir, Sahu sir.
Thank you, sir.
A couple of questions have been pointed out.
Okay.
One of the person, Jay Krishna, is from Lakreddy Balreddy College of Engineering. He asked
Okay.
the question, I want to file patent against my electronic circuit. Please guide me who to contact and how much it costs to go to an attorney.
Attorney.
Yeah.
Okay. See, suppose if you want to file an application of integrated circuit design, then what you will do? Make everything ready. Make make everything ready related to your abstract, your complete specification, everything, and having a file, keep it in a file. Then you can go to a particular attorney. I will give you certain link. I will give you the certain link, or you can directly file, or you can go to that particular attorney. If you go for attorney, some people are available in Andhra Pradesh who are the registered patent agent. Who are the registered patent agent in the government of India? I will give you some link through mail. You can contact them and you can proceed through them. So it's not a problem. Just to keep everything ready, within a matter of 10 to 8 days, you can file your own. Very nominal fee. Hardly about 5 to 6,000 you can file your design. Not more than.
Okay, sir. The other question is, hi, good morning. I am Dr. Raghuda Vaikunta Rao, Rao College.
Okay.
He asked the question, do startups in India take patent seriously?
Yes, sir. Just now I have shown you one slide of our finance minister, Sri Nirmala Sitharaman. I have told you, we are taking the startup very seriously, and the future of India totally set up on the startup. And from the record point of view, I categorically saying that have a startup, you are having a future within 4 to 5 days. Post COVID situation, the scenario is different. Nowadays, small entities and startup is having the future in the present market scenario. And I categorically saying you have a startup, develop your own product, you will earn the benefit. Seriously, I am saying you will earn your benefit, sir.
Okay. So one more question is during this continuous lockdown,
Okay.
what is the status of patent filing?
What is the
Status, that means how many, they're active or is it in
yes,
the
yes,
stage?
yes, 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 yes. See, if we say in a different graphical manner, suppose throughout the year there is 100 patent is filing. Sir, 95% are granted because most of the people they are not knowing how much how many patent are filing, how are granted. There is no any kind of awareness. That's why people are not filing. Out of 100, 95% patent are granted, and out of 95%, almost 30 to 40% are in workable condition. That means that's commercialized into market. Out of 100 patent, around 40% get commercialized into the market, and rest of the 60% who are working through different startup, different initiatives, so we can proceed that one for a further commercialization. This is a startup of our Indian system now.
One more question, sir. Can we patent our idea?
Idea?
Yeah, just idea.
No, sir. Until or unless we are not developed into a product or process, idea per se is not patentable, sir.
Okay.
You have to develop a product. Suppose you are having an idea, you have to develop it into a product. You have something, you have to develop into a technology. See, anything which is used for human life, which is easy access for human life, it may be a product or process. So if your idea is not converted into a product and process, it is not patentable. You have to convert it into a product and process, then only it is patentable, sir.
Okay. One more question, sir. How long it will take for to publish? Once you go for patent for a product, how much time it will take for publishing?
Publishing, see, sir.
Yeah.
In the previous slide, I told you once you apply, see, today you are applying for a patent, within the 18 months you are get published in our journal. See, there is another provision also available in section 9. If you are going for an early publication by filing form 9, within 1 month your patent get published in our journal. For that you have to file form 9. There is a provision available for the early publications.
Okay. Okay, thank you, sir. These are some of the questions which are raised by the participants. Now, I request our principal, sir, to address the gathering.
Okay.
Yeah. Is my voice audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I will.
Yes.
Yeah. Good afternoon to everyone.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir, Subhash Sahuji, for
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
accepting our invitation to act as a resource person and delivering a topic on patent filing. Really great, sir, because really the India needs more number of patents, and as you said now, like India needs more number of startups. So
Yes, sir.
I think from your words, I came to know that the Indian economy depends on the number of startups and number of patents which is to be filed in the near future. I think
Yes, sir. Yes.
yes, sir. The app topic you have chosen, sir. And thank you very much for, because you may be having some busy schedules, but being a examiner of patents and designs and making it convenient to interact with faculty members, so that in turn it is going to benefit so many faculty members, sir. Because this is for FDP for 4 days we have conducted. So really nice of you, sir, for interacting with our faculty and sharing information, so some of the faculty members will, not some, I'm expecting more number of faculty members must be benefited out of this particular workshop. And I would like to thank all the participants also, because we have seen more overwhelming response from the participants in all 4 days. So because of our participation only, this particular program we have conducted in a successful manner. I would like to thank all the resource persons, Narayan Reddy Garu, Srinivas Garu, and Sahuji for accepting our invitation and making this particular MDBA grand success one. And at the same time, I'd like to thank our incubation center coordinators, Narendra Babu, Rajshekhar, and technical support, Sivaram Krishna and CSC department and Veraya, and all other incubation center coordinators also, our incubation center coordinators. So really, because of your efforts only, we could be able to conduct this particular one. So I'm requesting all the participants, like whatever knowledge you gain through this particular workshop, so please continue, please work on it, and with your students, and you also involve, so that people like so many persons are available. If any doubt, if you have any doubt, so patent officers are available. If you contact through mail or something like, they will help, and they will help. So we are supposed to take that particular help, and we need to move forward, so that we all together can strengthen our Indian economy. That is most important after COVID situation. Earlier the situation is different, and I came to know from various resource persons. So the post-COVID situation is environment is going to be different entirely. So in that situation, all of us should cope up with that particular situation. We need to strengthen our economy by self-sustainable ways, like on our own legs. We need to stand, and we need to strengthen our economy. So thank you very much, Sahuji sir, for once again.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Because of you have given a wonderful lecture on patent filing, sir. So thank you very much. I wish you all the best. Thank you. Wish you all the best. I wish you all the best. Thank you, sir.
Sir, one moment. Sir, please. So these are all the scenario related to our patent aspect. So from today onwards, if any people want anything from my side, you are free to ask through any mail or any chat. I will drop my mail ID, my contact number to the Narendra Babu sir, so that any person, any student, any faculty member, anyone from incubation center, any kind of help you in from my ministry side, then I will be happy to help you. Because see, if we all will work together, then we can move our economy to a knowledge-driven economy. What the upper house sir told us. See, if you want to stand with our own leg, we need to help each other. Without, see, I am having an expertise. If I will not share with you people, that is a fruitless. Nothing is. I am nothing for. I am used for nothing. So it's my own duty. It's my own liability, my own right to use my own expertise to you people. So you can develop your startup, your own liability, own entity. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for your kindness, sir, because you have given number and email ID. So really great, sir, because it will be useful for faculty members. Yeah, that's what you told is I'm exactly I'm also having same opinion, sir. Collaborative work. We all should together.
Yes, sir. Collaborative work. Now the future is on collaboration. Yes, not a single person can work everything.
Yes, sir. True, sir. True, sir. Exactly.
Collaboration, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir, for your kind words. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, sir. Sir, there are some 2 questions are there. Can we take up, sir?
Yes, sir. Not an issue. Tell me, sir.
It's from Rohini Kusma. Is it necessary to renewals to patents once we got it? So, what is the process?
Yes, sir. See, after granting a patent, you have to renew in every year after pay the nominal fee. See, the renewal fee defines the working of your patent. Until and unless you are not paying the renewal fee for each year, the working of patent cease to exist.
Science mobile app currently have 18,000 subscribers in India and also in 12 other countries. We are looking for experts like you who can deliver an expert talk for 15 to 20 minutes in your current research area. Or you can also present your profile so that interested collaborators will approach you for consultancy, research progress, or academic
Now I
collaboration.
request
Just accept our invitation so that you broadcast your video in the appropriate groups and also in mobile app with timely notification to all the users. This helps to share the knowledge to the required students, scholars, etc. Prepare the PPT content and recorded video with any screen recorder software, or simply send your selfie video mentioning your expertise so that we broadcast it.
Informative. Even the layman also can understand easily your conversations with whatever you highlighted examples also. So what is patent? What is patentable? What is the meaning of the products? Categories of applicants. What is jurisdictions of the filing? And mode of filing. I say documents. What type of documents required? Some provisional specification, fee for patent application, types of patent applications, and what are the recent initiatives by India regarding startup patents? How IPR helps to us, which is more impressive in this perspective. IPR helps us. We should be differentiate our product, whatever it is. It should be specify our efforts, our intellectuals, compare with our competitors, whatever it is, and what type of legal procedures we have, or what is the roadmap of patents and patent commercialization, right. Right license, acceleration, and so each and every segment you have explained in a meaningful way, sir. In a meaningful way. Particularly, we can understand easily what is the significance of the intellectual property rights, how to get the patents, how to work out regarding that, how to get the license. So where should we get the license, where should we pay, or where should we get the rights also? In a meaningful way, not explained. So we are very thankful to in such a dimension. So this is the last day of our workshop. We are successfully completing our 4 days workshop. We are very thankful to, first of all, our principal sir. He encouraged with each and every dimension. And also we are very thankful to our management promoters also. They provided each and every dimension for organizing such type of seminars in our college. In the meantime, first day itself, Dr. P. Narayan Reddy invited him for this workshop. He highlighted a variety of very theoretical approaches. Business scenario of entrepreneurship and startups post-COVID. And also, second day, Srinivas highlighted what type of challenges we have, what type of opportunities we have regarding startups and entrepreneurship post-COVID-19. In the third session, Ramakrishna Garu from Central University, Hyderabad, he highlighted a variety of dimensions, particularly in a pharmaceutical way. He explained that and what type of opportunities, challenges we have. He explained that. But last day is quite interesting also. Which is must and should. Which is must and should to the student and to the faculty members, to the entrepreneurs, to startups, to public also. So I feel that your lecture is more impressive. We are very thankful to you. We expect such cooperation also. And we are very thankful to you, sir. Even though our team member, one of our team member, our colleague, Dr. Narendra Babu requested you, you immediately accepted our invitation. So this is we very thankful to you, sir. In the meantime, in addition to that, we are very thankful to our center coordinators. Without them, our work is not progressive, sir. They helped a lot in each and every dimension. And also, we are very thankful to our Viraya, Dr. Viraya sir and Sivaram sir for the technical support in each and every dimension. Finally, we are very thankful to our participants. Without them, program will not be succeeded. So one more time, we have to say very thankful to participants for. I think that they promote their skills and knowledge in all dimensions of entrepreneurship and startup. What will happen after this pandemic situation? So we are very thankful to each and everyone. And the e-certificates will be issuing within a week. Within a week to your registered email. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you, Ananda.
So thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Samuji. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Yes, thank you, Ashika sir, for your beautiful concluding remarks. As Dr. Arun Rashekar said, we will send all the certificates to your registered mails in a week. And finally, I thank all the resource persons from Study Narayan Reddy sir, Srinivas sir, Ramakrishnan sir, and Subrata Sahab sir for wonderful lectures being for all these 4 days. And I extend a warm, heartful thanks to the principal sir for giving a wonderful opportunity to organize this workshop, and also to the management of LVRC and our central coordinators. They worked very well hard to extend very good support to this program. And I thank Viraya sir and Sivaram Krishna for technical complete technical support to this program. So finally, I thank all the participants and students who watched all these 4 days. So take this knowledge to the college, and I wish you implement there and get results. So this is all from my side. I thank all one and all. If I forget anybody, please excuse me. So thank you one and all. With this, we are closing this session. And as I said, the certificates will be sent to all your registered emails.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thanks. Bye.
Yeah.
Science mobile app currently have 18,000 subscribers in India and also in 12 other countries. We are looking for experts like you who can deliver an expert talk for 15 to 20 minutes in your current research. Science mobile app currently have 18,000 subscribers in India and also in 12 other countries. We are looking for experts like you who can deliver an expert talk for 15 to 20 minutes in your current research area. Or you can also present your profile so that interested collaborators will approach you for consultancy, research progress, or academic collaboration. Just accept our invitation, so that you broadcast your video in the appropriate groups and also in mobile app with timely notification to all the users. This helps to share the knowledge to the required students, scholars, etc. Prepare the PPT content and recorded video with any screen recorder software, or simply send your selfie video mentioning your expertise, so that we broadcast that video to the users. As said, this will help generating new research collaborations, presenting your work, sharing your ideas and also publicizing your expertise and skills. Please see the video is of 10 to 15 minutes. We look forward for your positive response. Contact us today. Thank you.